welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Jonique and I create fashion related content. I do fashion hauls, product reviews, outfit inspo, and vlogs. So if that seems to interest you, hit the subscribe button down below. In today's video, I am going to be doing an Amazon haul featuring some items that I purchased from Amazon. So some of the items will be fashion related, and then some will be like lighting, camera stuff, like content creator must-haves. Everything will be linked down below, and you can also check out my Amazon storefront where I feature fashion content, like fashion related products, beauty, skincare. So I will link down my Amazon storefront as well, but let's just get right into this video. So y'all, the first item that I got was this beautiful brown dress. This brown dress, I got it in a size large, and when I tell you it fits my body to perfection, it fits like butter. And it is a Skims dupe. If you're looking for an affordable Skims dupe that is great quality and you can dress this up and dress this down, this is the perfect option for you. It is very long, so it's tall girl approved, and we love that. I am 5'6", so this fits me all the way down to the floor. You can pair it with some heels to give you a little bit more elevation. I've actually styled this on my Instagram. I will put a picture right here so you can have an idea of how to style something like this. It contours and fits to your body perfectly, and it enhances your curves just based on the type of material that it is. And it is very affordable as well, so be sure to check out this dress. Next up is this two-piece set. Now, this set is great material. Like, it is very thick and it will keep you warm. If you can see, like, in the inside, this is what it looks like. So that adds a little warmth. Something like this color is typically see-through. And with this, because it has like this little fuzzy layer underneath it, that kind of minimizes that problem and is not sheer. It fits really nice. I will put the try on video here so you can have an idea of how it fits. It comes with the zipper in the back, and it comes with both the leggings and the long sleeve top. There's so many ways you can style a basic set like this. You can add a jacket, a jeans jacket. You can dress this up, or you can dress this down with a pair of sneakers. But this is such a versatile staple that you need in your wardrobe. Next up is the black one. So I love the brown one so much. I got it in black because you can never go wrong with black, and an all black set is just perfect. Wear it with a jacket, like a furry coat or something. Like, there's so many ways you can style a basic black set, and it is an essential and a must-have that you need. Same thing with the other materials, same material, just in all black. The leggings fit perfectly. There's a lot of stretch. There is a lot of room. Like I mentioned before, I got this in a size large. I would recommend to size up because this does fit a little close for a large. This is great quality, butter soft. I love how soft the material it is. It definitely contours to your shape and your body and enhances your features, which is really nice as well. And it's just very versatile, and there's so much you can do with this. Guys, look at this beautiful denim bag. So this will be found on my Amazon storefront under accessories, where I have tons of bags, shoes, sunglasses, and accessories that you can cop. I saw this and I fell in love with it. I don't have a really good denim purse like this, and I love how it is distressed. It looks very authentic to a pair of jeans, and that's what really gravitated me to this piece. I love the gold embellishments, even with the straps. You can do something like this and hold it like this, or you can make it a crossbody. There's so many ways you can style this bag. And on the inside, there's a lot of space as well. If you like a lot of space with your bags, you can do a denim on denim look, or you can just do something casual and bring it out with this denim bag. Great quality, great material at an affordable price. To conclude the clothing portion of this video, I got this denim hat. So as you can see, I have the denim bag, and I had a photo shoot idea where I wanted to incorporate both the denim bag and a denim bucket hat. So I came across this hat on Amazon. It is really good quality. I got this in a size large. It is very simple. It's not much to it, but it can help elevate your look. You can definitely go for more of a 90s look and style it that way. If you would like to see how I styled the bucket hat and the denim purse, be sure to check out my Instagram at Jonique Styles. I will probably try to put a picture here. If not, head on over to my Instagram. Now that leads me into the next portion of the video, which is like your content creator photography must-haves. I got this tripod on Amazon, of course. It is nice, small, and compact, and this will be perfect for when you're vlogging or when you're doing more like sit-down videos or a makeup video. You just put this on your desk or counter or bike. You have the ability to make it similar to this where it's a little bit more flexible. I love that it has multiple cold shoes, as you can see at the top here, where you can attach a light if that is what you're going for. You can make it horizontal or vertical very easily, and you can attach your phone, or you can even take off this portion of it and then you can attach your camera. So this is where the vlogging comes into play, and it is just a great quality tripod that you need. Another tripod that you should get is this one. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name, but this is a very good quality tripod, and it extends to I think like 55 inches, so it is pretty tall. It has the clamps to the side right here, so you can extend it or you can retract it back. You can move it around, which is really nice. You have the option to use it with your phone, or you can take this part off as well and use it for your camera. So it is multi-purpose, which is a plus for us content creators, videographers, photographers, or just everyday people. Next up is lighting. Lighting is very important for anything that you're doing, that you're recording or taking pictures. Lighting is essential. Even with my filming setup right now, I got my lights from Amazon. I will link that down below as well, and it's one to the left of me, one to the right of me, and it emits so much light, and it's great quality as well. This one is a portable light, as you can see, and you have the option to control the levels of how bright or how dim you would like it, which is really nice. So as you can see, it gets brighter and it gets lighter. It has multiple cold shoes, so you can attach this on top of your camera or on your tripod like I mentioned before. It has 1, 2, 3 different cold shoes, and it's just very compact. I love that it can fit in your purse. You can pull it out, especially when you're taking night pictures or night videos. This light is amazing. I will show you a before and after with using this light. For the price, this is a great quality light, and you should get it. Another thing that is very important is a battery. So now, if you guys are recording your YouTube videos or you're a content creator or you film or whatever, batteries are essential for your camera. And this is a battery charger. It comes with 2, and you just plug it in and it charges your batteries for you. So this makes it a lot easier when you have your camera and you need to switch in and out of batteries. This is a must-have. Very easy to use. It has a channel 1 and channel 2. So you put your battery, of course, in channel 1 or channel 2, and it will light up green if it's fully charged and red if it's not charged. Okay guys, so that concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed this haul. So all of the items in this video will be linked on my storefront, so I will put the link down below. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below which gadget or which item was your favorite, and be sure to follow me on Instagram at Jonique Styles on Instagram and TikTok, and Jonique Styles with 2 Z's on Pinterest. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.